Hi there, I'm Matt Keene. Welcome to Creating a Future We Want, the Visionary Evaluation Series for a Sustainable, Equitable Future. I'm on page 7. Totally 7. It's really loud today. I'll just say there's a lot of two-stroke motors all over the place and Marine One flying down the Potomac River. So, well, that's the world we've built, so nothing's going to be perfect. And that, I'm just going to blame all of the imperfections of this video on all of that. Let's see. Those involved in evaluation, as well as all humanity, cannot approach the future with the same mindset that has gotten us to this crazy place. Totally agree. I might have written that sentence. Idea of match. How well matched is evaluation to the world we've got? How well matched are any of our disciplines as applied to the world in which we are applying them? Peter Senge said to a group of us once that our management systems are often poorly matched to the systems we intend to manage. As someone working to the Environmental Protection Agency in the United States, that meant something to me. And then I would ask questions like, are our systems of inquiry well matched to the systems in which we are inquiring about? Often the question would be followed by a so I have had a lot of conversations with Beverly Parsons, author and editor here. She and I talk a whole lot, and in one of our conversations she was saying evaluation as a field has been, has evolved to be within a society that is, and to be a discipline and a field that is hierarchical, reductionist, mechanistic, and perceiving that humans being something separate from nature. What's the problem with that? Well, the whole world in which evaluation is being applied, especially when it's being applied in systems where like human values are involved, evaluation, or nature, then, well, we've got network structure, not rigid hierarchical structures. We've got a whole versus the parts of a reductionist structure. We've got living, tangled, infinitely nuanced natural systems versus a mechanical system like a car or an airplane. And humans are not something totally separate from nature, but at least humans are of nature, if not, and it seems like this is obvious, I guess, something that cannot be separated from nature, especially when you think of like a Homo sapien as a superorganism with a whole bunch of animals living inside and on us. So, this book is a lot about match. How well matched are the things that we're doing? How well matched is the world that we have built for a vision of a future we want? Much of what we've done so far has achieved amazing things for humanity and for, well, let's just stop there. And much of what evaluation has done for itself and for humanity has been phenomenal. The ways that it has evolved and the thing that it has evolved to be the best at is perfectly suited for many situations. However, again, when we involve nature, human values, that sort of thing, the match needs to be in question, and how we approach bringing in what we've had for evaluation versus innovation and new perspectives on what it means for evaluation to function effectively with and prioritizing values of sustainability and equity, that should be a question. So, newer, richer perspectives, read just a little bit more. Wrong page. Page 8. A different mindset is needed, one that recognizes our impact on nature and the planet, as well as other societal evolutions. The mindset must include interdependence of values, recognizing the importance of others, other species, recognizing natural planetary boundaries within which we must work, humility, compassion that comes from explicit attention to the intersections of sciences, humanities, arts, cultures, and nature. I'm Matt Keene. Thanks for visiting Creating a Future We Want. Graph theory. Visionary evaluation series. What's your vision of an evaluation that is well matched for a future we want?